G'day everyone, just a quick run through here on how to respool a whippersnipper or a line trimmer or even a weed whacker depending on where you come from. This particular one is a Ryobi cordless OLT 1832, but it's pretty much the same with all of these line trimmers. We can also buy the spools pre-made and you just clip them straight on, but I'll show you how to respool it. It is easier and cheaper. Okay, when it comes to rewinding this string on this particular type of whippersnipper, we have to take this cap off here. There's a couple of buttons we press, the cap comes off and we pull the center out here. It tells us which direction in which to wind the line, and we just add the line into the hole. There's a hole on here, just in this top section here. We can push the line into that hole and then we wind in the direction in which it's asked us to there. Try and layer the wire so it doesn't trip over itself, because we don't want it getting tangled up. It can get quite hot in there too and they melt together a little bit. Probably do a better job than I'm doing, but anyway. We wind on and then we leave ourselves a little bit of a tail hanging out here. We push that tail through the hole here. And then we drop this in like that. There's a little piece here, if we push this, we can advance the wire as far as we need to, but this will auto advance. Every time we let go of the trigger, it will auto advance the line. Let me push this bit back into where it comes from here, and it's ready to go, and it will automatically cut itself off if it's too long. So if we give it too much string, the guard will cut the line off so it's exactly the right length. This particular one is a release to advance. We do not need to bump, but some are a bump to advance. Just have a look on your particular model and make sure you're doing the right thing to advance the spool. If you have a double line whippersnipper, the line will go all the way through the middle, give yourself half the line, and then you wrap it in opposite directions around the carrier, but the process is basically the same. Thank you very much for watching.